बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसे नंबर 1 इंस्टा कोड रिकॉर्डेड बाय सदाम चौधरी बाबा फरीद शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग बहावलनगर। I am directed to refer to the subject cited above and to reiterate the deputation policy of the government of the Punjab enunciated in finance department letter which prescribe the terms and conditions of deputation of government servants under the control of the administrative departments regardless of whether such deputation is to autonomous or local bodies or to another government or to another department or provincial government full stop. It may further be stated that Governor of the Punjab has been pleased to observe that deputation should not be used as means for either dumping officers or for back door entries full stop. The cornerstone of deputation policy is and should be placement of personnel in the best public interest full stop. This should not remain an unstated mystery but should be clearly spelt out and available on record full stop. In each case of extension, it must be clearly outlined and established that requisite expertise, skill and background is not available in the provincial government. Hence, it is necessary to obtain services of specialists on deputation from outside full stop. In these cases, while seeking extension in the period of deputation to the provincial government, the concerned department must also show the step taken by it to develop the rare skill expertise ascribed to the deputationist within its own provincial cadre full stop. It must not be forgotten that a deputationist blocks an opening, which should otherwise be available to employees of the provincial government full stop. This must not and cannot be done except for strong reasons which should be available for all to see full stop. Similarly, when allowing a provincial government employee to stay away on deputation, it must be clearly established by the department that his staying away is in the larger public interest and also establish that there is no material loss on balance to the provincial government full stop. It may further be stated that Governor of Punjab has been pleased to emphasize that he would like the provincial government to bring the deputation to from Punjab in line with the principles enunciated above full stop. He has further desired to see the information within due date and time, full stop. I am, therefore, directed to request you to kindly furnish this department, by positively, with the lists of all such cases of officials whose deputation extension in deputation beyond normal period of 3 years has been allowed, in relaxation of rules and regulations full stop.